इसी कड़ी में अपने विचारों के साथ हमारे सामने आ रही हैं अनमोल अंकिता, ओडिशा से लाल बहादुर शास्त्री पर अपने विचार लेकर।
Heart of gold and body of steel, Shastri Ji was a man with patriotic zeal, high in spirits but deep in roots by choice, with Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan in his voice. Namaste, Jai Jagannath. I am Anmol Ankita from Kalahandi district of Odisha. I express my gratitude towards the Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha, Sri Om Birla Ji, Pride India, and Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan of Odisha for making this opportunity open to me. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. Yet I am speechless. Shastri Ji has a humble story. He was an honest man who entangled the world with his personality. He was short but not short-sighted. The seeds of the Amrit Kal has been laid in the past by our second Prime Minister, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. He carefully encapsulated the young, striving India. He was the man behind Green and White Revolution, taking India many steps forward in potential than compared to its theoretical capacity. His call for self-reliance was one of the earliest avatars of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So, this vision of Shastri Ji has paved the pillar for Make in India concept with a goal of 5 trillion economy in this Amrit Kal. Today, India is the largest producer of dairy products, second largest producer of food grains, and the second largest army. So this inspires us to push our limits in order to achieve the resolution of a developed India. Shastri Ji believed in social equality, starting from giving up his own surname to standing in the Lok Sabha Mandal for the Dalits. The P20's agenda of women-led development echoes with Shastrian policies of gender equality. The Nari Shakti Bandhan Abhiniyam Bill, manifesting women empowerment today, has driven its roots from Shastri Ji's appointment of women conductors. Shastri Ji believed that it is not the endeavor of few people, but the hard work of many that makes a country great. And this Shastrian trait is reflected today in the Amrit Kal with our policies of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Jan Bhagidari, as well as promoted globally by India with the incorporation of African Union into G20. Shastri Ji's accountability has raised the standards of public services, and hence we have the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in his honor. The P20's agenda of sustainable development aligns with Shastri Ji's concept of responsible resource management. So no doubt, Shastrian legacies combined with today's opportunities force us to envision a futuristic India, where honesty, integrity, compassion, and hard work are the driving keys. So in this Kartavya Kal, let us pay homage to Shastri Ji by keeping the nation first and self last. Let the world gaze in appreciation towards the inevitable Bharat in formation. Vijay Ghat must not only be in our memories, but Shastri Ji must be alive in our spirits. At last, जो भरे नहीं है भावों से, जिसमें बहती रसधार नहीं, हृदय नहीं वो पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अंकिता.